Hi, I'm Jared Hard.
And I'm Jared Cooksley from Ray White.
Welcome to 28 Church Road in Mangere Bridge.
This is a fantastic property to kick off the new year.
Sitting on 1,277 square metres, bursting with potential.
And check out that view. So come along and we'll see you at the open home.
Privately located on a level 1,277 square metre section, this original two-level weatherboard and brick character home is awaiting a makeover. Featuring 3 generously sized bedrooms, polished wooden floors, and a fantastic outlook to the sunny private yard. The top level features a studio master bedroom that is equipped with a kitchenette, ensuite and a deck that boasts panoramic views of the city. The original garage has been converted into a 3-room rumpus with full facilities. Hurry and take advantage of this opportunity today.